Welcome to Let's Cook That Book. I'm Mimi Baines, and today I'm cooking from Sally Obermeter and Maha Korean's Super Green, Simple and Lean. Today I'm cooking their sesame chicken with Asian cabbage slaw on page 174. We're going to start off with the slaw. So for that we need a drum grater. We're going to lock this on. It's great. Locks onto pretty much any surface. And I've already pre-done the wombok and the spring onions. So into that we're going to add some red cabbage. And when it gets too small to use your hands, don't push your fingers in. You can use the guard here and just push down like that. Perfect. So that's the last of the cabbage. Now we're going to change to the grater and get that carrot into the slaw as well. So I've got the grating blade onto the drum grater. I'm going to put through the carrots into the slaw. And again, once it gets too little, just pop on the guard and you're good to go. We're going to mix through the cabbage slaw dressing. So we're going to start off with some sesame oil, some sesame seeds, some rice malt syrup, some soy sauce, some freshly grated ginger, rice vinegar, and then a tablespoon of peanut butter. Lastly, we're going to pop in some coriander, just finely chopped. Dressing's ready to be poured onto the slaw. This is a lightly dressed slaw, it's not too much liquid. We'll stir this one together. Now we'll get on to making the chicken and finish the dish off. We're going to put together the marinade for the chicken now. Sally and Maha do it in food processor, but I'm just going to get stuck into it the old-fashioned way. So we've got some rice wine vinegar, some sesame oil, soy sauce. We've got a clove of garlic. Just going to crush that straight in. We have some water, some rice malt syrup, and tahini. We're going to give this a good whisk and then add the chicken in. Marinating is a great way to put a lot of flavour into your meat. If you leave it in a marinade for a while, it actually tenderises the meat, so it makes it really nice and tender. Marinade's nice and mixed now. We're going to add the chicken and then get that onto the grill pan. Okay, just mix this through, make sure every little bit of chicken gets a bit of marinade. Smells so delicious. It smells like sesame oil, soy sauce, lots of Asian ingredients. All right, now we'll pop that aside, put some oil into the pan and wait for that to get nice and hot. Now we're just going to put the chicken into the griddle pan and cook for 2 minutes on each side. These ceramic fry pans are the newest technology in chemical-free non-stick cooking, and they're really eco-friendly. This batch of chicken's ready to be taken out, so I'm just going to grab my resting board. Here, it will catch all the juices in these crevices rather than running onto your bench and leaving it nice and messy. I'm doing the chicken in batches so that it can get nice and golden like this and crunchy on the outside and cooked on the middle. You don't want to stew your meats. Just got some paper towel here. I'm going to clean out the pan and then start on the second batch. I don't want any burnt bits left in the pan because it can make your meat a bit bitter. We're going to cut up some of this chicken and then put it straight onto that beautiful Asian slaw. It looks so nice and crispy, perfectly cooked in the centre. It's important to invest in a good carving knife so these jobs are nice and easy, just straight through the chicken. So that looks just about right. Now we've got to add our garnishes on top. So we've got some spring onions, some fresh chilli, just finely sliced. Love my chilli, so we're going to pop all of that on. And my favourite of all herb, coriander. Here in the Let's Cook That Book kitchen, there's a lot of contention over coriander, and personally, I know the cameraman's looking at me with a lot of cringe behind all this coriander, but I'm all for the more the merrier. There's Sally and Maha's sesame chicken with Asian cabbage slaw. Might have a little bit of a taste. Perfect.